Hello, my name is Ricardo Garcia Duarte, and I'm a Cisco TAC Wireless Technical Leader. This video shows you how to prepare and perform a Rommon upgrade on 9800 wireless LAN controllers. First, verify the current Rommon version that your controller runs with this command. If the controller is a high availability or HA pair, verify the version of the standby unit from the active unit with this command. Know that Rommon versions are not synchronized among units when upgraded, and having the version match is not a requirement for HA to form. If a Rommon upgrade is required or desired, download the Rommon image for the corresponding WLC. Once there, choose the software type iOS XE Rommon software in order to display the available files for that controller. Click on the Download button, accept the license agreement, and once it's saved, go to the Graphical User Interface or GUI, navigate to Administration, File Manager, Boot Flash, and there, click on the Upload button on the top right. Select the file and wait for the upload to complete via HTTP/HTTPS. Here, you can verify the file has been transferred successfully. Alternatively, place the file on a TFTP server and transfer it via the Command Line Interface or CLI from the WLC with this command. Next, locate the file to be used for the Rommon upgrade in the boot flash. If the controller is an HA pair, ensure they are both synchronized and that the file exists on both physical appliances. In case the file is not on the standby unit, you can easily copy the file from the active unit to the standby WLC with this command. When the file is on the needed units, the upgrade can begin. Once the file is ready in the corresponding unit, if in standalone mode, proceed with the upgrade with this command. The upgrade and downtime actually take place upon reboot, and that process ranges approximately from 10 to 30 minutes because the controller experiences multiple reloads. Therefore, a maintenance window is required. The configuration is saved and a reload is done if in standalone mode. If it is an HA pair, through an SSH session, upgrade the primary active unit first and do a switchover to the secondary unit to cause a reload and the actual upgrade on the primary unit. As a TAC tip, for the upgrade to be more practical, it is recommended to use an SSH session to the virtual IP address so commands are always run from the active unit at the time, and you can monitor the outputs from the console sessions. When the Rommon upgrade is finished on the primary controller, both units are resynchronized and the switchover can be done again to upgrade the secondary unit in order to end up with both WLCs upgraded and the primary unit back as the active one. When both units are back up, Show Chassis RMI is going to show them as ready. Verify the Rommon version. Confirm if they are synchronized and use the standby variant of the Rommon version command if applicable, especially before a switchover. Here, you can see both units are now running the latest version. This ends the Rommon upgrade procedure. Remember, you can access the Cisco video library for more useful short videos. Thank you for watching.